So, ma'am, I got to ask you, after helping kill 25 to 30 kids, what exactly does "not today, Satan" mean? What exactly does it mean, ma'am?
Hold on, let me get my thing. I'll tell you exactly.
Thank you. So what does it mean, ma'am?
You got your little camera. Put your camera down. I talk to you.
No? Okay.
Put your camera
Why are you afraid of the camera, though?
Put the camera down.
Why?
You have no business taking my picture.
I'm standing out here on a public sidewalk.
You cannot take my picture.
I'm on a
without
public
my
sidewalk.
permission. You can't, excuse me, dear.
So what does it mean?
It means that I don't fuck with you.
Not today, Satan. What does that mean?
Because I don't fuck with you.
Ma'am, listen, you're supposed to be a believer and listen to your filth and feel
Guess what?
with a mouth like that.
The oath from Nightingale. It says to care for everybody. I don't have to care for no enemy. Everybody.
So what about the babies?
My kids, I take care of the murderers in the hospital.
What about the babies?
I take care of the serial killers in the hospital.
What about
I
the,
take
but you
care
kill
of nothing
babies.
else. What makes me, I can't judge nobody.
You're murdering babies. You're judging babies.
Me judge another folks.
But
That's
you,
what I'm
and then you judge me. But you judge.
You judge me.
But you do, because ma'am, you're helping murder babies. Right, I do. Ma'am, there's a righteous judgment. You're killing babies.